Welcome to Math with Mrs. Cox. We're in Chapter 3, Lesson 4, page 179. Let's begin. In this lesson, you're going to find the value of zeros and patterns. Let's look at the pattern. 63 divided by 9 is going to be 9. Add a 0 into the mix, 630 divided by 7, then our answer gets a 0, 9 tens, which gives us 90. Then we have 6,300 divided by 7. Our answer is going to have 2 extra zeros because there's 2 zeros in the dividend. This one has 3 zeros, so I bet you can guess what the pattern is. Yep, our answer is going to have 3 zeros in it. So with that in mind, let's begin. Number 1, divide mentally. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Bring the 0 over, and you have an answer of 90. Number 2, we have 3,200 divided by 8. We can cross off a 0 here and a 0 here. Now I know 32 divided by 8 is going to be 4. Bring that 1 0 over, my answer is 40. Number 3, 32 divided by 8 equals 4. Bring that 0 over and your answer is 40. Number 4, yay, look, I can cross off more zeros. I can cross off a 0 here and a 0 here. And the identity property tells me any number times or divided by 1 is itself. So number 4 is 200. Number 5, we have a 0 here and a 0 here we can cross off. Yes. Ooh, this is familiar to me. 81 divided by 9. I know 9 times 9 is 81, and I've got a lone 0 there I need to take care of. So my answer is 90. Number 6. 45 divided by 9 is 5. Bring that 0 down. We have 50. Good job. Okay, let's go to the next page. Have to do the little markup. By the way, this is a good way to hand me your math problems too, if we ever have to go back to Canvas and online learning. Okay, we are on number 7. Peyton has collected 120 aluminum cans for recycling. If 20 cans will fit in each blue plastic bag, how many bags will she need to carry all of the cans? So let's set it up. We have 120 and 20. 120 divided by 20. We can cross off a 0 here and a 0 here. So we have 12 divided by 2 is 6. She's going to need 6 bags. Number 8. There are 5,000 sheets of paper in 25 boxes. If each box contains the same number of sheets of paper, how many sheets of paper are in each box? So we have 5,025. 5,000 divided by 25. Well, darn it, there isn't any zeros in the divisor for me to mark off. But I do know that 50 and 25 are compatible numbers. I know that 25 will go into 50 twice. Then I can bring those 2 zeros over, and I'm going to have 200 sheets in each box. Number 3, Richard measured his rectangular living room. The room has an area of 200 square feet and a length of 20. The width is found by dividing the area by the length. What is the width of Richard's living room? Okay, whoops, that's not what I meant to draw. Okay, what we need to do now is draw a rectangle. Over here, draw a rectangle. We know that the length is 20 feet. And we know the total area is 200. And we can find the area by doing length times width. And we know that the length is 20 feet times something. So to find the opposite of multiplication is division. So we take the answer, which is 200 feet, and divide it by 20. I can see I can mark off a 0 here and a 0 here. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. We have 10 feet. 20 times 10 would equal the 200. And that is our answer. Okay, brain builders, grizzly bears, polar bears, and black bears. The average polar bear weighs 1,200 pounds. The average grizzly bear weighs 800 pounds. The average black bear weighs 400 pounds. The average polar bear weighs how many times more than the average black bear? Okay, so we can ignore the grizzly for a minute. We need to know polar bear is 2,000 and the black bear is 400. So polar bear, 1,200 divided by the 400, which is the black bear. Good news. Look, we can cross off 2 zeros in each one. So then we have 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So it's 3 times more. The polar bear is 3 times bigger than the black bear. Okay, let's do the grizzly bear now. The average grizzly bear weighs how many times more than the average black bear? So, grizzly bear. Ooh, this is where I'm going to play with my little highlighter. Grizzly bear is 800 pounds. Black bear is 400. So, we're going to do 800 divided by 400. Okay, mark off 2 zeros because they both have 2 zeros. Yes! 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So the grizzly bear is 2 times more heavier than the average black bear. There we go. All right, number 11. An elementary school has 320 students. All of the students are going on a field trip. If 40 students can ride a bus, how many buses are needed? So we have 320 divided by 40. And what do you notice? Yes, you can cross off a 0. So now we have 32 divided by 8, and I know that from my multiplication facts to be 8. Oh, I said the answer. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. Oh, anyway, you guys are used to me giving you the answers anyway. Do you see that answer right there? Fabulous. Good job, folks. All right, go ahead and rip out your homework and turn that baby in, and let me know how you liked this video, if you like it this way or with my hands. Thank you.